What's going on today, guys? Brotherhood of Ram here. So I was on Facebook Marketplace and these three trucks popped up. Well, this one popped up a while ago. This was the one I posted on the community thing for Facebook or for YouTube. It's a Mack CL-700, the 300 Mack in it, and then 10-speed. These trucks are actually out of Pennsylvania. They're for sale. They are for sale. Little interesting fact for you. So, crazy ice. So these are steerable. Well, they might be. I'm not 100% sure. No, they are not steerable. So this one is a prime example. This is a non-steerable tag axle. This is just your traditional dually setup. Air it up, air it down. What happens is New York State does not allow these. They actually have to either sell the truck or spend the money, replace them, and put in a liftable, steerable tag axle. You cannot run a non-steerable tag axle in New York State. Because if you do, if you're loaded, to go turn, you have to raise this up, and then poof, you're instantly overweight. So these, I'm assuming these two are probably the identical trucks in terms of engines, transmissions. Elite. Interesting little piece. That one's an Elite, that one's not. And then this one is an R model. So, see if I can get over there, it's kind of muddy. This one is an R model Mack, obviously. Let's look here. It is an R690S. Nice little piece. It's actually fairly clean. Being a dump truck, they don't run them much in the wintertime. And if they do, it's not often. So it's actually fairly rust free. Actually, might as well hop in. So it's a Mack, obviously. I don't see the shift pattern on it. This might be probably like a 12-speed Mack, maybe. Like a Mack 350 with a 12-speed. Not 100% sure, but for those of you that do know, comment below. So this is a non-tag axle truck. It is a just a traditional 10-wheeler, camelback suspension. It does have a setup for towing a trailer with a pintle hitch. Same as that one. And this one does not. I believe this one is set up for asphalt. I could be wrong. I don't know much about this company. Do know where they're located in PA. These are camelback suspensions. Was it twin sticks favorite wheels, wagon wheels. So figured I'd stop, get a video for you guys, do a video, get some photos, stuff like that. CL-700. So, like, subscribe, and comment, guys. Let me know what you think. Again, these are for sale, so if you know where I live, these trucks are right down the road from me. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Brotherhood of Ram, out.